today's episode, we're gonna be building some custom headers for this monster 51 Chevy. Big block with a blower. We're gonna be building some custom headers for it. We got a bunch of material from a bunch of different places. Of course, we got some goodies from our friends over at Stainless Bros. We're gonna be using their muffler. I'm actually pretty excited to be using this because it's my first time going to be using one of their stainless mufflers. We've done titanium mufflers before, sound really awesome. This is their thin design, their thin mufflers, so it doesn't have a massive profile. This is a 3-inch inlet and it's only about, I think, 4x7 or 4.5x7, so it's a really small profile. Boom, just kidding. So really small profile, 3-inch inlet, 4.5 by 9 inches, 17 inches long. Running some collectors from Vibrant. We got a bunch of tubing from them as well. We got some stainless flanges from Stainless Werks. Nice beefy thick, 3/8 thick, I believe it is. We got a little bit of some stainless plate from Stainless Bros. So if you guys ever need just plate, we'll show you what we're doing with that in a little bit. We're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing some oval. So basically from our collector, we're going to go into our muffler, and then we have these transitions coming out of the muffler, and it's going to be going into a 3-inch oval, and then we're going to be exiting. I got some horizontal and vertical bend oval tubing. We're going to be doing something very special at the tip, and I'll show you that in a little bit. But I actually got all the oval from Summit Racing. It's their own brand. I was having trouble finding everything that I needed. You know, I needed obviously horizontal, vertical, straight, and then transition, and I was having trouble finding everything from one brand. I usually don't try to mix up brands too much. You know, I usually like to keep it relatively the same for at least the section that we're using. Also got some stainless hangers. These are from Ferocious Motorsports. They're the only ones that I found that have them bent already, so that's nice. I mean, you can bend them, but it saves you a little bit of time. And then for the grand finale, we got not just a sick dump that you can buy pre-cut from Stainless Bros, but we're actually going to make this more or less an oval sick dump. So that's why we got some material here. That's why we got our plate. We're actually going to cut this in half, and we're going to open it up, and we're going to make a little oval sick dump. And that's going to come out right before the tire here. This is a custom chassis. I'll show you guys all that underneath in a minute, but full custom chassis that somebody built, and we'll just have the oval sick dump kind of come out of that pocket right in there. I think that's going to look pretty cool. So in case you guys are wondering, this vehicle is an old school build. This came from another local shop that are doing a bunch of other stuff to it. They're going to be doing some paint work to it and kind of reviving it, giving it that, you know, modern flair. Obviously redoing the headers, exhaust, all that, and just kind of touching things up. I don't know really what style they're going with, but I just know that this is kind of a old school build someone did, I don't know how long ago, but it's getting re-jazzed up. So all right, well, let's get to work. So we're gonna take our sick dump. We're actually gonna cut it in half. We're gonna slice it in half. We're gonna extend it to make our oval. Oval sick dump. What? We're simply gonna extend it to give us our oval. Now I'm actually gonna go a little bit bigger so that way I can slide it on and then be able to kind of adjust it where I want it. So it'll be more of like a slip fit, but it's kind of what I'm going for. So I'm just gonna grab some stainless plate, cut a little piece here. About 1 inch strip, and we'll weld it up. Would you look at that? Yeah. Oh yeah, I like that. How about that? I like that. Let's stick that back a little more. Stick that back a little bit. I think that way we can get it in this nice little pocket. Look at that, like it was meant to be. Say what? Fabrication and full exhaust fabrication and oval tubing fabrication. Stainless Bros mufflers sound really good. Headers came out awesome. Oval tubing, not too bad. I don't hate it. Works good. Worked out for what you need. I think that about wraps it up. So I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching. See ya.